Divyesh Nair now joins me for more on this story. Divyesh, what is the reasoning, what is the logic why this order that all restaurants have to shut shop by 1:30 in the morning?
Well, Gaurav, after 26/11 attack, the Mumbai police have always said that they want to be a little bit extra cautious when it comes to the law and order of the city, and exactly that is the one single reason that the Mumbai Police Commissioner has been giving all the time whenever there has been a permission that seek from the Mumbai Police in order to have some extra time to party or to organize any rally. Now that's exactly the reason that he has given even this time, saying that that there would be a law and order issue where if the party continues till 5 a.m. and there would be an increase in number of drunk and drive cases as well. One more important aspect that he has touched about is the fact that this year has seen there are a lot of crime against women that has been increasing, be it molestation, be it rape, and the Mumbai Police Commissioner doesn't want to take any chances in regards to that, and that's exactly the reason that he has been citing, saying that 1:30 is a good enough time for Mumbaikars to enjoy during this New Year Eve. Back to you, Gaurav.
Okay, so three major reasons that have been put forward so far. Drunken driving is one. Crimes against women, spiraling crimes against women is the second reason, and 26/11, that is a terror threat perhaps, is the third reason that Mumbai police has put forward. Now those who are against this, especially the party goers themselves, you've spoken to some of them, how have they reacted? How are restaurant owners responding to this?
Well, they are definitely disappointed from the kind of restriction that the Mumbai police has been putting. Like I spoke to 2-3 youngsters in Mumbai, and they were very clear of the fact that today being a working day, they would be working at least till 8, and by the time they reach home and get ready to go to party, it would already be 11:30. And they said that it is only 1.5 hours that they get to party, and that to the last day of the year. And so definitely they want to party till 5 a.m. and they would welcome such kind of an order if the High Court gives such order. And if you talk about the Restaurant and Owner Association, they are very clear that initially the Home Ministry came out with the order saying that the restaurants and bars can be open till 5, and they have made preparation in regards to the same. But now when suddenly there is a restriction which claim that everything has to be closed at 1:30, they are definitely looking at a lot of revenue losses during this New Year Eve. Back to you, Gaurav.
Divyesh Nair, for the moment, many thanks for joining me. I will come back to you for more when the High Court verdict comes on this story.